Hello dear children, welcome to my channel MSP Educator. Hello children, in this video we are discussing or solving lesson number 2 number work and we'll solve problem set 2. Yes, it is based on whatever you have learned about the number work in the previous standard, that is 4th standard, right? So it will be becoming very easy for you. And if not, then I am there for you to make it easy. Right now? Isn't it children? And I am giving the links of lesson number 1 Roman numerals in the description box below this video. If you have not seen them yet, you can click on the links and watch the videos. They are also very helpful for you. So children, let's start for the today's topic, that is number work problem set 2. Okay? So as you have already learned to read and write numbers in the decimal system using the 10 digits from 0 to 9, right? आप लोग तो ऑलरेडी सीख ही चुके हैं 4th स्टैंडर्ड में जो 0 to 9 डिजिट्स होते हैं उनका यूज़ करके आप नंबर कैसे लिखेंगे और उनको रीड कैसे करेंगे, राइट? So on the basis of that, question number 1 is given to you, and that is using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and write 10 each of the 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers. Read the numbers. Okay? मतलब आप लोगों को 0 to 9 जो डिजिट्स हैं उनका यूज़ करके 2 डिजिट नंबर, 3 डिजिट नंबर, 4 डिजिट नंबर और 5 डिजिट नंबर्स फॉर्म करने हैं. कितने फॉर्म करने हैं? 10. ओके? और उनको रीड भी करना है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ सी हियर, फर्स्ट कॉलम इज ऑफ 2 डिजिट नंबर and second column is reading a number or how to write the number. Okay, so here I form by taking any of the 2 digits from these 10 digits. I form 10 numbers over here. Okay, so first number is 37. So how to read it? 37. As the unit place and tens place we are reading together, that's why it will be 37. Okay, and you are going to write it in words. 80 80, 49 49, 65 65, 28 28, 54 54, 92 92, 71 71, 16 is 16 and last number is 22. Okay, 22 is 22. तो आप लोग भी अपने मन से कोई भी 2 डिजिट सिलेक्ट करना है और उनसे 10 डिजिट्स फॉर्म करना है. 10 नंबर्स आपको फॉर्म करना है 2 डिजिट वाले. ओके, नाउ सी 3 डिजिट नंबर्स. 504. How to read it? As 5 is on the 100 place now, 0 is on tens place and 4 is on the unit place. So it will be 504. Okay, 386. 3 is on 100 place, that's why 300, and togetherly you are going to read 86. Okay, 386. 430, 430. Right children? 891. How to read it? 891. 615, 615. 267, 267. 900, 900. Yes, because here on the tens place and unit place no digit is there, so it will be 900 only. Yes, 173, 173. 766, 766. 258, 258. Okay children, understood how to write and read the numbers? Now see 4-digit numbers. Here reading a number. So 3817. Okay. I form these numbers by using 0 to 9 digits. Okay. आप लोग भी अपने मन से कोई भी डिजिट्स लेके 4 डिजिट वाला नंबर फॉर्म करना है और उसको राइटिंग करना है और रीड करना है. Yes. So here first number is 3817. As 3 is on the thousand place, 8 is on hundred place, 1 on tens place, and 7 is on unit place. So you are going to write and read the numbers according to their places. Okay. So 3817. Yes. 4059. 4059. 9611. 9611. 7413. 7413. Yes, children. 5608. So how to read it? 5608. 2009. 2009. 6420. 6420. 1357. 1357. 8172. 8172. 6156. 6156. It is 56. Okay. Now see 5-digit numbers. Yes, as we have write and read the 4-digit numbers, like that only here 5 digits you are going to form. So see the first number 4 is on the 10,000 place, 1 is on the 1,000 place, 3 is on 100 place, 0 is on tens place, and 9 is on unit place. Okay. So you are going to read the 1,000 places togetherly here. 10,000 and 1,000 place togetherly you are going to read. So it will be 41,309. Understood everyone? Like this only you are going to read the next numbers. 68527. 68,527. You are going to read the 1,000 places togetherly, again the tens place and unit place togetherly. Yes? 50348. It will be 50,348. 76052. 76,052. Because here 100 place is not given to you. That's why 76,052. Yes, while writing and reading the number you have to leave the 100 place because there is 0. 21546. 21,546. 10358. 10,358. 94215. It will be 94,215. Yes. 36104. 36,104. 89157. 89,157. 72560. 72,550. Yes, children. Everyone understood how to write and read the numbers till 5 digit? Yes. Children, now see question number 2. Fill in the blanks in the table below. Okay. So here you have given some fill in the blanks which are written with the red color. Okay. So first example is solved for you. In that first column is of Devanagari numerals, second is international numbers, and third is numbers written in words. So children, in 4th standard you have already learnt about the international numbers and Devanagari numbers, right? International numbers are those numbers which are used worldwide, or we can say English numbers. Yes, and Devanagari numbers means what? These are the Marathi numbers. Now I will say the Marathi numbers. You listen it carefully. English numbers तो सबको पता है, इंटरनेशनल नंबर्स सबको पता होते. मराठी नंबर्स आर 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By using these 10-digit numbers, we are going to form the number. Okay. So here first example is solved for you. 2, 3, 5, 9. This number is converted into international numbers as 2359. And how to write this number? According to the places, you are going to read and write the number. So 2359, right? Second example, 32756. Convert this number in the international number. So it will be 32756. How to read it and write it? 32,756. Third example, the number is given to you in international number and it is 67859. Convert it in the Marathi number. 67859. 67,859. Understand? Now see, number is given in Marathi. So, or Devanagari, 1034. Convert it in the international number. 1034. Its answer is 1034. Now here 27,895 is given you in words. You are going to convert it in numbers. Yes. So write first in international number. So 27 is given on 1000 place. So write down 27 on 1000 place. Then 8 is on the 100 place. And lastly 95. So write 9 on tens place and 5 on the unit place. Like this only you are going to form the number. And convert it in the Marathi number. 2, 7, 8, 9, 5. Understood everyone? Now see question number 3. So as a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Jilla Parishad schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and green grocers. Okay. Read the taluka wise numbers of the bags and write the numbers in words. Okay. एक प्रोजेक्ट है अवॉइड प्लास्टिक बैग. ओके. सो अंडर दैट जिला परिषद स्कूल्स ने क्या किया है, पेपर बैग्स तैयार किए हैं. और वो जो पेपर बैग्स है वो प्रोविजन स्टोर्स या फिर ग्रीन ग्रोसर्स होते हैं उनको सप्लाई किए हैं. तो तालुका वाइज हमको number of bags are given here. So first column is of talukas and second column is of number of bags. What you have to do, just write these numbers in words. Okay. These are your answer which are in red color. Okay. So see, first taluka is Kopargaon and number of bags 12,740. which are provided to the provision stores and green grocers. Okay. So just convert this number into words. So as 12 is written on the 1000 place, so write it or read it in words like this: 12,740. Shevgaon 28,095. Like this you are going to read it. Karzat 31,608. 31,608. And last is Sangamner 10972. So it will be 10,972. Okay. You have to just write the number in words here. Understood everyone? Now see question number 4. How many rupees do they make? ये भी आपने सीखा था ना 4th standard में. So first question is given to you is 20 notes of 1000 rupees. Okay. 5 notes of 100 rupees and 14 notes of 10 rupees. Yes. Now total how many rupees it will form, that you are going to find out. So see here, one by one we will solve it. 20 notes of 1000 rupees. How much it will be? So you are going to multiply 20 into 1000. Here 20 will be there, okay, not 10, it will be 20. 20 into 1000, it will be rupees 20,000. Understood everyone? The answer is correct. 5 notes of 100 rupees. So it will be 5 into 100. You are going to multiply 5 into 100. It will be rupees 500. And 14 notes of 10 rupees. So multiply 14 by 10. Yes, so it will be rupees 140. Understood? सब लोगों ने मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी सीखा है ना फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड में. So you are going to multiply the number to the rupees. Yes. Now here you are going to do the addition of this column, means 20,000, 500 and 140. इसका आपको टोटल करना है, एडिशन करना है. So it will be rupees 20,640. Okay. So it will make the total and it will be 20,640. It is written in words. Okay. Now see the second example. 15 notes of 1000 rupees, 12 notes of 100 rupees, 8 notes of 10 rupees and 5 coins of 1 rupee. Okay. So one by one we will solve it. So 15 notes of 1000 rupees will be 15 into 1000. Its answer is rupees 15,000. Okay. 12 notes of 100 rupees. So do 12 multiplied by 100. It will be rupees 1200. And 8 notes of 10 rupees will be 8 into 10 rupees 80. And 5 coins of 1 rupee is equal to 5 into 1 is equal to rupees 5. Now here also again do the addition of this column, last column. Okay. So its answer is rupees 16,285. Write this number in words. So it will be 16,285. Understood everyone how to convert the notes into rupees? Now question number 5. Write the biggest and the smallest 5 digit that can be made using 45037 only once. मतलब आपको यहाँ पर जो 5 डिजिट्स दिए हुए हैं, कौन से है वो 5 डिजिट्स? 45037. ये सब सिंगल डिजिट्स है, एज देयर इज अ कॉमा इन बिटवीन देम. अंडरस्टूड? सेपरेट डिजिट्स आर गिवन टू यू. और आपको बिगेस्ट नंबर फॉर्म करना है, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फॉर्म करना है, ये सारे डिजिट्स को सिर्फ एक बार यूज करके. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? नाउ सी द बिगेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर. हाउ टू फॉर्म दिस बिगेस्ट 5 नंबर? यू आर गोइंग टू यूज द descending order of these numbers, means bigger to smaller numbers series you are going to use here for forming the biggest number. So the biggest number is 7. Okay, write down 7. Then after that 5. Then 4, 3 and last the smallest number 0. So the number will formed is 75,430. ओके. आप लोग देख सकते हो सारे डिजिट्स को हमने डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया है और सबसे बड़ा नंबर फॉर्म किया है. ओके. नाउ स्मॉलेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर. हाउ यू विल फॉर्म द स्मॉलेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर? अगेन यू आर गोइंग टू do the ascending order of these numbers. Okay. Ascending order means smallest to biggest number. So which digit is the smallest from these? It is 0. But if you will take 0 on the first place, the number which is formed, it will be only 4 digit. Understood? That's why you are going to take the 0 on the second place. Okay. Then only your number will be 5 digit number. Understood the difference? So 3 is the second smallest number. That's why take the 3, then 0, then 4, 5, 7. Like this you are going to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. While forming 5 digit number, never take 0 on the first place. It will be 4-digit number then. Understood? There is no value to the 0 which is on the left side of the number. Understood? Now question number 6. The names of some places and their populations are given below. Use this information to answer the questions that follow. Okay? Here some places, names of places are given to you, and their populations are also given in front of that place. Okay? So on the basis of this information, 3 questions are asked to you, and observe this information and answer it. Okay? So first question is, which place has the greatest population and what is its population? तो आप लोगों को ये जो इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया है इसको ठीक से ऑब्जर्व करना है और सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन कौन से प्लेस का है वो ढूंढना है और उसकी पॉपुलेशन कितनी है नंबर में वो बताना है. ओके, सो वाशी हैज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट पॉपुलेशन and its population of Vashi is 92,173. So here 92,173 Vashi. Okay, got the answer everyone? This is the highest or greatest population. और कौन सी प्लेस का है वो? वाशी का है. Understood? Now see second question. Which place, मोरवड़ा और मोरेगांव, हैज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट पॉपुलेशन? ये जो 2 प्लेस आपको दिया है मोरवाड़ा और मोरेगांव, इनमें से किसका ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन है? यू हैव टू कंपेयर द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ दिस 2 प्लेसेस. ओके, सो वेयर इज मोरवाड़ा? दिस इज मोरवाड़ा. यस, इट इज 85,890. एंड मोरेगांव, हियर इट इज मोरेगांव 87,012. This is the population of Moregaon. So which one is greater? 87,012 is the greater. That's why Moregaon has the greater population. Understood? Now see the last question. Which place has the smallest population? How much is it? Okay. So see, from this information, कौन सी प्लेस का सबसे कम पॉपुलेशन है? सो दिस वन, गगन बवाड़ा. ओके, its population is 35,777. It is your answer. So right here, Gagan Bawada has the smallest population. Its population is 35,777. Like this answers you are going to write. Okay, everyone understood this? Yes. So till here we have completed the problem set number 2. Problem set number 3 we will solve in the next part of this lesson. Okay children?